Good morning, students. This is Sandhya from Ashoka Universal School, Ashoka Mark branch. Now, let us mark coastal plains in this map. We have already learned coast. Now, coastal plains will mark Konkan Plains, Malabar Plains, Canara Plains to southwest side, and southeast side we have Coromandel Plains and Northern Sircar Plains, and to the north part of our country we have Gangetic Plains. So, these plains we are going to mark on the map. Now, let us start with Indo-Gangetic Plains. Now, we don't have Indo-Gangetic, we have only Gangetic Plains. So, we are going to cover only the plains covered by Ganga and its tributaries. Now, to the northern part, we have already learned the map pointing of densely populated region. Exactly the same reference we are going to take. First, let me highlight the boundary of Nepal and Bangladesh. The reason for highlighting the boundary is so that by mistake the color doesn't go into those countries. So, this is the southern tip of Nepal. So, with erasable pencil, I will highlight the boundary by overwriting the line. Okay, so this is Nepal's boundary. The color should not go beyond that. And this side, we have the Bangladesh boundary. So, let us highlight that boundary so that the color doesn't go into these countries. Otherwise, we'll lose marks. Okay, so this is the boundary line which we don't have to cross. Now, let us mark. From the southern tip of Nepal till Yamuna river, we have to draw one straight line. We have learned that before also. That we have learned for densely populated region. Okay. Now, override the, with erasable pencil, first you draw the outline. Then you can fill the color in the region. Now, let us mark, highlight from this place. Let us highlight the Yamuna river. With erasable pencil, first you make the boundary. Okay, till here Yamuna river is there, and from here then the Ganga river continues. And you are going to mark the boundary till Bangladesh at this part, till this part. Okay. So this entire northern region we are going to shade it and mark it as Gangetic Plains. Gangetic Plains also includes the plains of West Bengal. So again from Kosi River till the boundary of India, just before the Black Point where we had N Northern Sircar. If you remember in coast, we have learned that the Northern Sircar ends at this place. So from Kosi to this place, the mark that I have done, we have to draw a slant line. And here lies the plains of West Bengal, right? Now let us shade. You can take any one color, and remember always whenever we shade a major part of the map, always use some light color, because light color will help us to mark some other map pointings at the same place. For example, in exam they ask you mark and label the Gangetic Plains. So this is the Gangetic Plains, and in the exam they ask you mark Gomti River or mark Allahabad. So, if we, and as you know, Allahabad also lies at the confluence of Yamuna and Ganga, plus Gomti river is this, and there are so many other rivers in the north. So, if you use light color for marking the Gangetic Plains, the other map pointing which has to be marked at the same place will be visible. Now, let us shade. Currently, I don't have many color pencils, so I'll have to use brown. Children, brown color is generally used for mountains, but now I don't have many color pencils. So I'll use a little light shade of it, right? Yellow color is the best color to shade Gangetic Plains. If you want, if you have color pencils at home, the best color to shade Gangetic Plains is yellow color, because anything that you mark on yellow color is visible. Don't use dark colors to shade the major part on the map. Always use light colors. So here we are about to complete the Gangetic Plains. Okay, done. Now children, observe properly. The color should not go in Nepal and Bangladesh. So this is Gangetic Plains. Now let us label it again with a pointer. Let us label to the north part. Spelling is Gangetic, Gangetic Plains. Okay. Now let us mark the plains in the southern part of our country. The plains in the southern part, as we have already learned. First, let us mark Konkan. Exactly in front of Godavari river it will start, and in front of the joint of Tungabhadra. Take scale always so that we don't do mistakes. So till this part, this is Konkan Plains, right? Now, to shade that Konkan Plains, we have to use a color and mark a boundary, a line just beside the coast, right? So this is our Konkan Plains. Now we have to shade the color in this coastal region. So this is our Konkan Plains. Now children, one most important point that you have to remember, this plains should not cross the river. They can connect the river at the starting point, but they should not go on the river. There is a gap, if you see properly, there is a gap in between the coast and the river. That gap is the coastal plain. So that gap you have to color it. Now let us label it. So this is Konkan Plains. Again, the arrow should not point out the coast, the arrow should be inside, pointing out the plains. The arrow should point out the plains which are marked inside. So this is Konkan Plains. Now let us mark the Canara Plains. Again the same boundaries will take. In front of the joint of Tungabhadra, the mark of Konkan Plains is already there. The starting point of Kaveri river is the reference line. This much is the Konkan Plains. Let us take a parallel line to the coast, a very thin one. It should not be very broad, and fill the color inside. So this is Canara Plains. Let us label it. Now from starting point of Kaveri till the joint of, till the southern tip of India, that is Kanyakumari. This is on the parallel to the coast, we have to draw one line till Kanyakumari. A thin one, it should not be very broad. This is Malabar Plains. Now let us shade Malabar Plains. Okay, I don't have many color pencils, that's a problem. Okay, this is Malabar Plains. Let us label it. Again, the arrow should point out the landmass inside, here also, remember. So this is Malabar Plains. Now let us go to Coromandel Plains. Again from southern tip, that is Kanyakumari, to the delta of Godavari, we have to mark till this point. The Coromandel Plains will be there. So a parallel to the coast we have to draw the line. Children, remember the western coastal plains are narrow and the eastern coastal plains are slightly broad compared to western coastal plains. So the eastern coastal plains will be slightly broad Parallel to the coast, you have to draw a line and complete the line till the delta of Godavari, till this part. Now, let us shade. If you have different color pencils, you can use different color pencils to mark the planes. Currently, I don't have. So this is Coromandel Plains. Again, we have to label it, the landmass which is inside. We have to label that landmass, not the coast. If you make a pointer on the coast, it is wrong because you are pointing out the coast and not the plains. So mark the pointer inside. So this is Coromandel Plains. Now let us go to northern Sircars. So from the delta of Godavari, from the delta of Godavari till the Sundarban delta, till this part. Just before the black point, we have to complete the northern Sircar. Again, parallel to the coast, we have to draw a line this manner. It should be slightly broader than the western coast. And we have to shade it. Now let's label it. Pointer pointing out the planes. So this is northern plains. So here we complete plains. Konkan Plains, Canara Plains, Malabar Plains, Coromandel Plains and Northern Sircar Plains. Children, one more thing I would like to explain you here. Also, we had covered Gangetic Plains in the north, right? We can't forget that. If they ask you, mark the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The method of marking the plains remains the same, but for western coastal plain, we'll have to start from Run of Kutch. Parallel to the coast, we'll have to draw the boundary, okay, in Gujarat, this manner. Then the line will come down till Kanyakumari, till this part. Again, I'll repeat, for western coastal plains, from Run of Kutch, parallel to the boundary, the line should be drawn. And from here, it should come down till Kanyakumari. And this entire, how we have shaded the different plains, the western coastal plain will be shaded in one color throughout. And for eastern coastal plain, in the similar manner, we have to draw how we have drawn. But instead of labeling into two parts, the entire coast has to be shaded with one color and label it as eastern coastal plain. So from this part to this part, this is entire eastern coastal plain. And from Gujarat to Kanyakumari, that is from this region to this region, this entire is western coastal plains. So this was all about the plains. You can practice it on your map and submit the map through email or WhatsApp. I'll be waiting for your maps. Thank you.